Kubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net foodish ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakrdob ying jongpi
हाँ निकलेगा तो चलो
Hadirin ke jingsa priang ki khubor bada ki spangut ki pajba ki badai na pentor umkra konstituensi ki lektor syaying sa jong u kabadan harenja u menteri katanat ke koi kakhia ke sorkar jela uba AL hek ula kubur bakalong ke badai baragajo kopor ula pensyai baka jingwan jong ki kadai na marbahagini ki khendiat sngi baladep ula sam da ki slip syaki breo ki baduk ki badan kam jingyarap bakin wan syaying jong u hala ka jong ka sngi bat u ai jingyarap yaki da ka pisa bakin thet yaki jingdon kam jong ki bat ki don ki balawan bat ki balayo jing tibru bat hadin baki liyo sngiau baki don ki bayo jingyarap ki pajba ki lawan mi kensan menta ka sngi syaying jong u ulieto syushu baki pulit kila persang ban pha yang do ulan hanrei namar baki labun palat kimla ban te lakam syu kumta ki hab ban syube kratno yaki
agini ki South ni mencuba, orang lain milalak la syamba sebut mah kejengnya jong gibreu kejongi ki balong ki BPL family ki basa apa ka petam ka konstituensi. Ke South ni mencuba ngaladap alot yakini ki token semua kini ki slip. Daga benta ka different dates at different timings. Different timing right from 6 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock and so on and so forth. Mau kita ketika you nang bela ban ai ki kejengera financial assistance naga bunta bakela banyo banthit ki essential community for their livelihood. Kemudian kesan ka gi ka sarkar ke jungi kala de announce ya ka lockdown, complete lockdown. Adin bela announce ka complete lockdown gi gitu ki bayo slip ki badi benwan sim adin laisi so sgiru kimla lo shu ban up dan ada menek la syu rush lut baro bawan si jungi na kemudian kata financial assistance kebang la slot dengan timing bala slot dengan date la kejong ke date henry namar bagade ke lockdown kinumla syu badwan na kata dau war ki pulit dado mene step reu biji step abang ki ban sedang late ke morning work ru ngai i bela damen be ki breu kimla syu namar baki pajba kilai kidu sibun gijenge khamdam lele gitu ki baduk ki banjaja tingile gumno ngi khamsa iki bandung sieng henry ila pendeng ketum ke social distancing ila deng gimas ila ai ke sanitizer iki gi pendung iki angut sieng jungi ban ai jingrap iki kat bagila si hajar tangka meroi na kemunta jugitu ki bala ai slip saus pa ngun henry menne pada kimdi tang kita saus pa ngun ai slip ki big biar lenti nang turu yang lain lang tingimla ban syube iki bri bopli ki badan hapre ki jinge bagi jinjanjar tinggi persangkat lah kadiai benyerap iki babuan balang henry hadir memlasu ban control layo phone lai video layo phone laki magistrate baki labun pelat gibril baki ki paramadian marparu kila complain nut ya ki bor ki bahalor babalai bahayeng jo head minister la tabri kato nalor badan ngenega spy dek nang ban control ki la ong ki pulit ban penyang de lai kat kum social distancing ban ai babiang henry Paipa bapli ki baduk ki berjenjar ki bapli ki mar bagi latip bagade ke lockdown kimla syu bat up hadu kata sngi babu katarik iki menwan sim hadu kata timing menbu iki menwan sim kila syu rush lut baro ha gaju upor all people all volunteer I think they have been distributed among all these people maybe I don't know how much they have been distributed but they have distributed as much as many people today to help them for the essential communities to procure essential commodities. 1,000 rupees we paid. That one the government has not been given anything, but now we are trying to our best as much as possible. Today they have declared for the discretionary grant for all the MLAs. From there we will try our best to meet or to reach out to these people, the daily earners.
How much is discretionary?
No, I don't know that. You have to ask from the. This is only we discussed today in the review meeting convened by the Honorable Speaker. So those people which are meant to keep it 1,000, maybe at the end of the time when we are distributing, we had shortfall of the money which we have kept there. That's why we have to give even 500 rupees also to all the people who are coming to our place.